Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm gonna be doing this twist. Okay, this can be equated to passion twist, but I'm gonna be using bobby wool for today's twist. Okay, so let's go. And if you see me for the first time, hey my love, thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around, and let's dive straight into this video. So as you can see, I have parted this hair. I'm doing a kind of round shape, okay, sorry, I'm doing a kind of block shape, and this is how I do this. So I normally use a lengthy wool, then one side is short, which I measure the length of the hair where I want the hair to stop to prevent wastage of the wool or make the hair too lengthy more than others. So to get an even length for every of the hair, I always measure it. So now I always braid out the beginning, the roots of the hair. Then I use the shorter part. I take 2 strands of wool from there and go around, like thread it down. Okay, so after doing that, I'm gonna be doing the twists. This is passion twist using bobby wool. Okay, so let's go. So as you can see, after knotting it down, I try to separate into 2 before I start twisting. So if you're looking forward to learn how to do this twist, then you pay close attention to what I'm doing with my fingers. Okay, watch the fingers so closely and you're gonna get it right. As you can see right here, the actual magic going on is I twist around. This is twisting around. So the shorter one, I hold it constantly. I don't twist with it. I only twist with the long one. That is the trick here. So if you try twisting with the shorter one, you're gonna get an irregular shape. Okay, so that's that. So let's try the second one. Maybe you get it well this time. So don't forget, I always measure the length of the hair so I can get an even hair size, an even hair length for all the hair. Okay, so and this also, like I said, prevent wastage of this bobby wool. So I measure this. This is the length. So the shorter part, I kept one side. I use it to braid. I also use it to knot it down, like thread it down. You can do this method from down if you want, but for today's video, I'm doing it half threaded, then I do the twist. Okay, so take a look again. So I split all the short one in one part and the long one in one part. So doing that, I start fondling and twisting. So watch closely and see what is actually going on. It's not that difficult, you know. So this is it. Now I have separated and I'm fondling. So I go this way, I start twisting around. Watch the finger. You're going to notice that I am going round with that long one. Actually, I'm not making use of the second shorter one. That one is what stays in the middle. That is what the twist goes round to cover. And don't forget, I always attach the natural hair to the middle one, which is the shorter one. If you take a close look, you're going to see that I put all the natural hair together with the shorter one. Then I'm now using the longer one to cover it up. Okay, and that is what is giving us the smooth out look you are seeing without hair strands, if that makes sense. Alright, so let's keep going. I hope you're getting it right now. If you're taking a very close look at the tip of my fingers, you're going to see what is actually going on. So pay attention. Now let's try this one again. And this is the last one. Don't forget, we always measure to get the size. Okay? So if you want it, if you don't want to have an even size, maybe you want it size by size, step by step, then you can just thread normal all round. But if you do that, you're going to miss some. Is going to be long and some is going to be short, but measuring it this way is going to give you an even length for the hair. Okay, so as usual, I'm trying to thread around the natural hair to cover it up. Then I'm going to split into two as usual, the shorter one with natural hair one side and the longer one side, as you can see. So I'm going to start twisting using the longer one, which is going round. So check the tips of my finger, you're going to understand. And don't forget, you fondle each time before you go round. You have to fondle. That is going to give you that twist shape. Can you see? Don't forget, if you actually try using the shorter one to twist, you're going to get an irregular outcome. Sometimes you make this style and you see some places bending, some places standing, and if you actually fail to draw closer to each other like I'm doing, watch each time I want to go, I push it backwards so that it can lap with the next one. If you try to give it too much gap, you're gonna have some lapses, some gaps amongst it. And if you try using the shorter one to go around at any point, you're gonna have an irregular outcome. Okay, so you keep watching. I hope you're getting something out of this video. So far so good, we have it to this point. So as you can see, it's free from any kind of hair strand. Everything is covered. I hope you like what you saw. So this is the outcome. Wow, and thank you for watching.